In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide database title in Notion. If you've ever opened a database in Notion and wondered where the title went, or you are setting up a clean workspace and want that header back for clarity, this walkthrough will make it quick and easy. Start by navigating to the database you want to adjust. This can be a full-page database or an inline database embedded in a page. Make sure you are focusing on the database itself, not just the page around it. In the top right corner of the database block, look for the three-dot icon. This is the database's menu button, sometimes called the More menu. If your window is narrow or you are zoomed in, the icon may be tucked closely into the database toolbar, but it will still be there at the top right of the database block. Click the three-dot icon to open the Database Settings menu. This menu controls how your database looks and behaves, so it's the place where most display options live. From here, select Layout. Layout is where you'll find the visual settings for your current database view, including what shows above and within the database. Inside Layout, look for the option labeled Show Database Title. Toggle this to On. The moment you switch it on, the database title bar will appear above your database, making it easier to identify at a glance and keeping your workspace organized, especially if you work with several databases on the same page. If you notice that the Show Database Title option is grayed out and you can't click it, that usually means the database is locked. Locking prevents changes to the database's configuration. To fix that, close the Layout panel, open the same database menu using the three-dot icon, and toggle off Lock Database. Once it's unlocked, return to Layout and turn on Show Database Title. You should now see the title appear as expected. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure you are opening the menu for the database, not the page menu at the very top of Notion. If your database has multiple views, the layout settings apply to the current view you are editing. So confirm you are on the view you want before you make changes. And if your interface looks slightly different, it may be due to a recent Notion update. But the three-dot menu and layout section remain the key places to adjust this setting. That's it, your database title is now visible. If this helped you clean up your workspace and stay organized, you are all set. Thanks for watching.